Citroen C5 Aircross family SUV has received a midlife overhaul to make sure it remains fresh and competitive against newer rivals. Looking more modern than its previous model, the crossover SUV adopts a new front end that radically departs from the outgoing model. But what are the selling points of this SUV? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest tech and automobile news. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more exciting content, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you are always up to date with our latest videos as soon as they're uploaded. In this video, we will be talking about the new 2022 Citroen C5 Aircross, so clearly, you don't want to miss out on this. And so, without further ado, let's start with today's video. The C5 Aircross, recognized since its inception as the most flexible and comfortable SUV, has now been given a redesign to assert a more prestigious, modern, and dynamic personality. While building on its strengths of comfort, onboard modularity, and spaciousness, it has matured to become more dynamic and elegant with sharper exterior styling and more modern, high-quality colors and materials for the interior. The C5 Aircross has made its mark in the highly competitive compact SUV segment with its onboard space modularity and, above all, its comfort, which is unrivaled in the segment. The lavish interior, which is an original signature for Citroen, and the brand's experience and people carriers set it apart from its rivals. Even today, C5 Aircross is the leader in terms of efficiency, practicality, and offers a more relaxed onboard experience. At the front, Citroen's separate light clusters have been replaced with a combined unit. Two stacked LED daytime running lights link up with newly illuminated strakes on the grille. Redesigned air intakes were also featured. Around the back, the taillights get a new design. The changes come as Citroen aims for a more premium market for the Volkswagen Tiguan, with updates to comfort and space with the choice of petrol, diesel, or hybrid power. The C5 Aircross will gain tauter lines that Citroen says give it a more imposing presence on the road. The design changes extend to the rear, where the C5 Aircross gains new LED light clusters. It's also equipped with new styling panels, 18-inch alloy wheels, and gloss black roof bars. The C5 Aircross will feature a new interpretation of the logo, which will gain independence and detach from the daytime running lights, thereby marking a move on from other models in the range chevrons extended to the daytime running lights through a chrome strip. They grow visually from a set of increasingly tight chrome and black piano keys that blend with the LED daytime running lights. Very refined, subtle, and detailed work has been done in this section to increase the overall impression. This also gives the logo more breathing space in the center of the grille. The C5 Aircross is a front-wheel drive, 5-door with 5 seats, powered by a 1.6-liter Turbo 4 engine with 121 kilowatts of power and 240 Newton-meters of torque via a 6-speed electronic automatic. It has a 53-liter fuel tank, meaning it should be able to travel 671 kilometers per full tank. The company claims that the C5 Aircross Shine uses 7.9 liters per 100 kilometers of unleaded petrol in the combined city and highway cycle. The C5 Aircross measures 66.5 inches in height, 177.2 inches in length, 73.2 inches in width, with a 107.5-inch wheelbase. That brings about a total of 1,402 kilograms of unladen weight. The C5 Aircross Shine will come standard with 205 55 R19 front tires and 205 55 R19 rear tires. However, it will require a service every 12 months or 20,000 kilometers. The 2022 Citroen C5 Aircross Shine has a 230mm ground clearance with a 1,200 kilogram brakes and 550 kilograms unbraked towing capacity. The C5 Aircross has received a 4-star rating from ANCAP as well. The list of small upgrades go to the interior, where the center console has been redesigned to show off a freestanding display for the infotainment system. The touchscreen is no longer flanked by the air vents, as they have been moved lower to make room for the 10-inch display. The revamped cockpit draws inspiration from the C5X Coupe SUV's one. The Citroen says the infotainment touchscreen will be more intuitive to use than the recent model's system. That is because the new software will offer direct access to essential controls, such as the climate settings, unlike the current iteration, which forces you to explore confusing submenus. However, it still remains to be seen whether the current system's frustratingly low responses to input and its low-resolution graphics have been improved upon. Practical user experience has been improved, with a second USB port and an extra storage compartment. The cabin will still boast separate controls for auto climate settings, while a small switch has replaced the chunky gear selector selector. There's also a new driving mode selector between different modes like hybrid, electric, and sport. Another significant novelty is heated and massaging front seats, borrowed from the C4 and C5X. Moreover, the engine lineup has been left unchanged, which means you'll be able to pick a 129 horsepower, 1.2-liter petrol engine, a 129 horsepower, 1.5-liter diesel, or a 225 horsepower, 1.6-liter plug-in hybrid. The petrol version is currently our pick of the range because it is currently the cheapest option, yet it is still flexible enough for motorway journeys, which is pulling more strongly than an equivalent Mazda CX-5 does, and returns up to 47.2 miles per gallon. However, the plug-in hybrid is an exciting proposition for car drivers, thanks to the low benefit-in-kind tax rates resulting from its 34-mile electric-only range. Perhaps the most notable change, though, is that it has been given a Level 2 semi-autonomous driving system. This will mean that the car's driver assistance technology, which includes adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance, can take full control of your braking, acceleration, and positioning on highways. From its outside, the Citroen C5 Aircross is more of an evolutionary twist on the present version when compared to a more radical redesign. The C5 Aircross's grille now features chrome strips running across its width, bookended by V-shaped daytime running lights. Meanwhile, the rear features an updated taillight design, which features 3 blocks of LEDs, rather than the outgoing design's 4. These tweaks help give the C5 Aircross a more rugged look. Meanwhile, 6 interior paint colors are now available for the C5 Aircross: the newly introduced Eclipse Blue, Plus Polar White, Pearlescent White, Perla Black, Platinum Gray, and Steel Gray. 4 color packs can be selected to add further colored design changes to the exterior, including dark chrome, glossy black, anodized bronze, and energetic blue. 4 new color packs allow C5 Aircross to assert its SUV character and elegance: glossy black, dark chrome, anodized bronze, and energetic blue. The new colors of the color packs feature on the front air intakes and the air bump. The two-tone black roof and black roof bars from the shine finish add even more refinement to the vehicle. Following the move to make the exterior to go more upmarket, the interior of the new C5 Aircross will be given a more dynamic and refined makeover, with subtle improvements to space and comfort that are obvious as soon as the driver sets off. On the high driving position, the perceived quality of the materials and the ergonomics and practicality of the interfaces make it a modern and distinguished SUV. C5 Aircross offers a wide range of latest generation technologies to improve its occupants' daily comfort and safety. The all-new 2022 C5 Aircross drivers will indeed benefit from the 20 benchmark driver assistance systems in the compact SUV segment. These will include Highway Driver Assist, a Level 2 autonomous driving system, combining adaptive cruise control with a stop-and-go function along with the active lane departure warning system, while providing an enhanced feeling of safety thanks to the permanent support driver assistance. Despite the extensive suite of updates inside and out, pricing for the new C5 Aircross is likely to start at $36,000. That's around $1,350 more than the current version, which means the C5 Aircross will retain its position as one of the cheapest large SUVs on sale, so far only beaten by the MG-HS. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the 2022 Citroen C5 Aircross? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed today's video and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be kept up to date with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.